Setting up WhatsApp is a quick and easy process that allows you to start messaging right away. First, you gotta download the app from the device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, or the Apple App Store for iPhone. So now, once the app is installed, open up the WhatsApp by tapping the icon on the home screen or the app drawer. Now, when you first open up WhatsApp, you're going to be prompted to enter your phone number. So make sure to choose the correct country code and enter your correct phone number. WhatsApp is going to send you an SMS message to confirm your phone number. After receiving the code, enter it into the app to verify your account. Now, once your number is verified, you're going to be asked to set up your profile. Now, you can add your name, upload a profile picture, which will be visible to your contacts. And if you grant WhatsApp permission to access your contacts, it will automatically sync all your contacts stored on your phone, allowing you to start messaging friends right away on WhatsApp. Now, after completing the initial setup, you can customize your WhatsApp settings, such as privacy options, notifications, and chat backups. You can also join groups, send media, and make voice or video calls with ease.